Hello and welcome back to Frappe ERP Next course. In previous lecture, we have seen the directory structure of Frappe Bench, and in this lecture, we will discuss the directory structure of an application which is developed in Frappe framework. Let's start learning. This is the general structure of an application, and the application is present inside apps directory. For example, if we create a library management application in Frappe, the root application directory will be inside apps directory. And if we open that application root directory, for example, library management root directory, we can see our application source code directory, library management, and some requirement and setup files. Inside this library management source code directory, we can see an important file and the name is hooks.py. Hooks are used to extend or intercept standard functionality provided by Frappe framework. We can also see a directory inside our apps directory with the same name, library management, and this is considered as a module. And in Frappe we will use module to group different doc types, dashboards, reports and pages with same functionality. Next file is modules.txt file, and this contains the list of modules defined inside this application. We can also write patches in patches.txt, and in public directory it will store the static files that will be shared from Nginx in production. We can also see a template directory inside this app directory, and it contains the Jinja templates, and we can use these templates to render web views. To store web pages like things, we will use this www directory. This is the general structure of source code directory, and outside the source code we can see requirement.txt, and this contains the requirement for running this application. This is the general structure of an application developed in Frappe framework, and let's see our ERP Next application structure. I am opening my root directory, and let's open Frappe Bench, then apps directory. These are the application. Let's open ERP Next, and this ERP Next directory is our root directory. Setup.py and requirement.txt file are the important files in this directory. If you open requirement.txt file, this will show the required modules and Python packages for this ERP Next application. Inside this root file, we can see our application, and which is ERP Next. If we open this application, we can see different module. For example, accounts, agriculture, asset. These are the different modules, and here we can see the hooks.py file and module.txt file, then patches.txt file. If we open the module.txt, we can see different module present in this ERP Next application, and in patches.txt we can see different patches integration with this ERP Next application. In hooks.py file, we can see different hooks available for this application. Let's close this. Here I am opening one module, and let's open accounts module. Inside this account module, we can see different directories, and the important directory is doc type directory. These are the different doc type present in this account module. And in reports, these are the different reports associated with accounts. Another important directory is workspace, and this contains the workspace for accounting module. Then we can also set up print formats and pages in accounting. In overall, the accounts module contains all of the things which is related to accounts. So this is the concept of a module structure. And if we open agriculture, this contains different doc types and workspaces associated with agriculture, like crop, crop cycle, disease, fertilizer, and so on. Before winding up this video, let's see our new application directory structure. Here, this is the root directory, and this is the app source code directory. Inside this app source code directory, we can see hooks.py and module.txt, then patches.txt file. And the demo app directory is our module, and this contains the public files. Next directory is template, and this contains the templates for our application. And in www we can add different web pages for this demo app. So this is the directory structure of our application. Right now we can't see any doc type or report or workspace in demo app module. We will create doc types and all things in coming lectures. Let's wind up this now and see you on the next lecture. Bye.